Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best welding helmets on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Antra Solar Power Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Antra AH6260 is a cheap welding helmet that is equipped with a built-in passive UV/IR filter that does not depend on the availability of power to provide consistent protection. The lightweight model is compatible with hard hat and cheater lens of size 2 inches by 4 inches for magnified vision. Both the hard hat adapter and magnifying lens are sold separately. The components that come with the helmet are 6 exterior lens cover plates, 1 interior lens cover plate, 2 CR2032 lithium batteries, and an integrated solar battery. The 4 sensors activate the auto darkening to adjust to ambient lighting conditions at a speed of 1/25,000 seconds. A knob adjusts sensitivity and delay setting, and the quick grind switch disables auto darkening function when working outdoors. Some users have experienced random flashing despite adjusting the delay time for auto darkening. The Antra AH6260 is made from high-impact polyamide nylon material and is designed for MMA, TIG, MIG, plasma cutting, and flux core applications. The beginner welding helmet is unsuitable for heavy-duty industrial use and overhead welding because the material is light, but it is an ideal bargain for a lot of DIY tasks. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lincoln Electric K30-3044 Viking 3350 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This auto darkening welding helmet is part of the 3350 series, which has been upgraded with 4C lens technology for a true color crystal clear view of the arc and puddle. This technology has also been incorporated in the 1840 and 2450 series by Lincoln Electric. 4C is an acronym for clarity at high EN 379 1/1/1/1 levels, true color view, carat which refers to the lightweight auto darkening filter, and cut that references the even shade you get from any angle. To maximize vision and safety, the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 comes with an extra large auto darkening lens of 12.5 square inches. A low profile button positioned externally allows you to quickly choose among weld, cut, and grind modes with an external button. The 3350 series welding helmets are available in more than 15 varied styles to accommodate more users. Other qualities that make this product versatile are the dual power sources of a CR2450 battery and a solar cell, hard hat compatibility, and 3 controls for shade, sensitivity, and delay. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 has a TIG rating of 2 amps, 5 to 13 shade ranges, and 4 arc sensors that switch speed within 1/25,000 seconds. It also meets ANSI Z87.1, CSA Z94.3, and EN 379 standards. This is among the best rated auto darkening welding helmets for the money that is available with multiple accessories such as a helmet bag, bandana, 5 outside cover lenses, 2 inside cover lenses, and a sticker sheet. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEKOPRO Solar Powered Welding Helmet. The DEKOPRO Solar Powered Welding Helmet is recommended for automotive, military maintenance, repair and operation, MRO, and construction work. It features shade range of 9 to 13, optical clarity of 1/1/1/2, and an auto darkening filter, ADF-DX980N, that adjusts the shade at a high speed of 1/25,000 seconds, making this product the best welding helmet under $100 for beginners and hobbyists. You will also like the large viewing screen of 12.1 square inches and the comfortable and adjustable headgear. It is powered by a 3V CR2450 lithium battery and a solar cell that transforms sunlight to power to yield up to 5,000 hours of battery life. The DEKOPRO Solar Powered Welding Helmet supports MMA, MIG, MAG/CO2, TIG, arc gouging, and plasma welding and cutting. It also meets the safety and technical standards set by EN 379 and ANSI Z 87.1. Remember to peel off the inner and outer protectors from the plastic covers and to set the sensitivity and response time before welding, since it is defaulted to grind mode upon delivery. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Jackson Safety W40 Insight Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Jackson Safety W40 Insight is a CSA-compliant welding helmet for TIG, MIG, and arc welding that adheres to ANSI Z 87.1 plus safety and quality control standards. It features a variable shade range of 9 to 13 and 4 independent arcade sensors that trigger the auto darkening mechanism at a speed of 1/15,000 seconds. The auto darkening filter, ADF, switches the lens shade according to the programmed delay and sensitivity settings for ambient lighting conditions. There's also grind mode with passive shade 4, an LCD screen that displays the battery indicator, pre-installed front and inner lenses, and a lithium battery. The Jackson Safety 370 headgear is compatible with HLX 100, HSL, Nitro, WH40, and Smart Tiger welding helmets. The adjustable protective gear includes a 3-position slider, or ratcheting size adjustment dial with the company's logo, and a flexible crown strap to flip the helmet up or down. Owners who are impressed by the performance of this product consider it the best auto darkening welding helmet for the money for home and light industrial work. They like its compatibility with several shells and lenses, multiple settings to fine-tune the output, and the varied, flexible settings for the headgear, especially the large adjustment dial that is convenient when wearing gloves. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is ESAB Sentinel A50 welding helmet. The ESAB Sentinel A50 is powered by 2 CR2450 lithium-ion batteries as well as a built-in solar cell for more power options. The 1.4-pound welding helmet for MIG features a relatively small viewing area of 9.3 square inches, which still provides a fantastic field of vision due to the curvature of the outer lens. It has optical clarity of 1/1/1/2. There are 4 sensors with a reaction time of 1/25,000 seconds. The shade ranges between 5 and 13 and shade 4 for the grind mode, which is activated with an external button on the front of the helmet. Users with poor vision appreciate the slot that allows you to add a magnifier, the hypervisible LCD control panel and its responsiveness, and the presets for different parameters. Owners love the Halo-style headgear with a padded strap and 5 contact points that fit snugly and stay in position when flipped up, the sturdy construction from the high-impact resistant nylon, and the clarity and color, including the blue tint. They also like the futuristic front cover lens, which gives this welding helmet a cool look like an astronaut's, although the replacement cost can accumulate over time. A few users complained of fisheye effects from the lens. The other downside is the adapter option, which is only compatible with ESAB hard hats. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.